Hey, good morning. How are you guys doing? I created this ebook in Canva, and it's actually an ebook template that you guys can go through and change around and use it to sell to your clients. And so I just want to walk through this morning and kind of go through the changes that you're actually able to make with Canva and how to do that real quick. Just giving you a brief overview. It's canva.com. I'll leave a link down below that you guys can grab, and I hope you guys enjoy this wonderful ebook. So here in Canva, we've got the little copyright pages here. You can actually go through, change the type of font, and you can do so by clicking on it. You do have several different fonts that you're able to use with Canva. You can change the color. You can, if you don't want to have that up there, you can put it down there. You can make it smaller, putting it wherever you want to put it. If you want to even pull that down like so, do that. You can put these things wherever you would like to. You can even delete the page if you would like to, just by clicking that. You can change the order of the pages. You can do that by just clicking on the move down. You can duplicate the page as well. And you can, this is a little grid where you can put your picture in there, whatever picture you would like to put in there. Canva has lots of different photos that you can use. The ones that say Pro are for the paid version at $12.99 a month. Canva does have a lot of free ones that you can use. That one doesn't always come out good with it stretched out like that. Let's say if you had uploaded your picture, you could use that as well. You can upload right here. Just click on upload. I was uploading several different pictures of me to see which one would look the best there. Yeah, I don't like those close-ups. That little nose. I'll put the map back there. That doesn't look too bad. And so you can upload PNGs if you find PNGs that you've got the legal use of, and upload them to Canva. You can get these off of Etsy. I found those on Etsy. My cute little baby one there, which doesn't look so cute like that. And just several different things that you guys can do here. So you can change around and delete things. I didn't realize that was there, left over from the other page apparently. And then you can go through here, ebook editable template, if you want to call it how to be a boss babe. How to be a girl boss morning routine. You can change the color if you don't like the purple. You can change it to blue or whatever colors you guys want to change that to. Put that back under purple. Download now button. I like these. You can come over here and hyperlink. If you have a website, you can go and grab your website, copy it, and then come back here, click on the download now. Click over here. I'll do a thorough video of it as well for you guys. And then, so if you don't like that, these pages here, just to give you a little outline of the pages that you create, you can come over here, and what I do is after I make a PDF in Canva, which is another whole video entirely, then you can download it as a PNG, upload it, and make these handy dandy mock-ups, they're called. You can come over here to elements if you want a different mock-up. Come over here, you can search mock-ups. And the ones that say free are completely free to use. The ones that say pro, you just can't say upload just that picture and sell that. You can't do that. With Canva, there is a terms of use section. They also have a customer service department with any legality questions of what you can and cannot do with their templates for you guys to check out. With this little iPad here, you can actually, there we go. So, but it wasn't going to delete the whole iPad. If you wish to move it, drag it like that, move the whole thing. We'll include a video to show you the basics. Yep, that's what I'm doing right now. So, actually, sometimes you can delete too much and just say that I have included a video. Sometimes there'll be things hidden behind things that I forgot to move or didn't realize was left over from me dragging and dropping it. I have. There. And then I just said that Canva is an amazing online editor, which it is. You can change all the fonts, icons, buttons, backgrounds, pictures, button colors. See, if you want to change that button color, you just have to make sure you grab it in the right spot. You can do that. Let's see here. You can delete that little line if you don't want the line there. Once again, you have to grab it just right, guys. So. It doesn't want to play nice in the sandbox this morning. You'd have to move that up and then move the words out of the way, and it's not playing nice enough for me to want to do that today. Never apologize for being a powerful woman by some smart chick, so you can change that around. If you include a quote, make sure you include the author. Any quote that you include in Canva, always a good idea to include the author. You don't want them coming back later trying to see you and saying that you said that was your quote. And so you can change the title, change your description, change your verbiage there. That's just some Cupcake Lauren Epsom. Yes, Cupcake Epsom is a thing. Never knew. And then you change written by, put your name, your site, the author, put your name there, it's the About Me page. About Me page. Oh, we all know it's page. And so then you have these little squares here to include your picture, any picture you want to. Your description there. You can change these around. And let's say if you have a, not Instagram, but if you have, I cannot even think this morning. Instagram. You can change these around to which ones you may have. If you have, of course, we already have Facebook there. Whatever social media accounts that you might have. I think you can even type it in social media. It's going to bring up a few different things for you. On that note, I just threw that page in there. You can change it, delete it, whatever you want to do. It's cute. I threw it in there. And then reviews, if you have any friends and family members that have read your ebook just for the social proof, you could include this here. Social proof is saying, hey, your ebook or workbook helped me reduce my anxiety, help me get over certain things, help me become more organized, help me become a better thinker in the morning, which I'm apparently not this morning. And then you can move on to your avocado page. Avocado, so I call it avocado page. Change any of all that, delete it. Your table of contents page, make it bigger to where you can read it. To do that, you can either drag and drop it, or if you want to come over here to your font, you can change all of that. Well, ebook I started on, didn't never really do too much with that, so I just threw that one in there for you guys. Index, Chapter 1, your exciting description. Live your best life by you. Keep duplicating and changing page out however you wish to do that. This is a cute one. I just wanted to show you guys. You can either click it, or if you drag and drop it just right, you can do that too if you have the pro version for this one. There we go. Yeah, it's super cute, y'all. I remember someone showing us how to make that. I need to actually go back and show you guys how to do that one day. That'll be a different day because, as you know, you may not know, but I can go on and on and on forever and ever. Amen. And so your little chapter page, delete them, change them however many you need to have there. Add a heading, just giving you guys a little layout. You can change that picture around. You can even stretch that one out. Let's say if you have a mock-up, planner that you want to do a mock-up of right there. It'd take way too long for me to actually go through and show you guys how to do all that. Maybe not, because you can go to elements. You can go down here to grid. You could go through and add one and shrink it down and make your little mock-up right there. Or if you have mock-ups in anything, like say if you want that on a different page, look at here. You could actually put that on a different page, y'all. You can slide it down, make it fit right there if you wanted to, for whatever reason that you might need that there. You can put it there. These text boxes you can delete, change around, make it font, make it the size that you want to, and then, yeah, it's just being silly with the spacing and texting here. You can make that picture be whatever you want it to be. I just took one from photos. Let's say if you want yourself inside up there. Actually, since I have me on the uploads, my little YouTube thing. Alright, don't do this small YouTube support because that does mess things up for you guys. And your stats there. Okay. So this is how you do it. Dance like no one is watching. They aren't there on their phone. You can angle the phone. You can delete the phone. You can even duplicate the phone. Now you have two phones. You're way too busy. Delete that if you want to. You can put it back if you go, oops, I didn't mean to delete that. You can delete that. Drag that down. However you want to do these pages is up to you. If you don't want 3 sections here, you don't have to have 3 sections. You can delete, delete, and so forth. I love Canva. It's so very useful, has very many options for you guys to do different things in. They were already going with the food design, so I just kept on going. And that's a little video. Isn't that cool? You can do a video in these little mock-up grids. I just thought that was neat. Just me. Eat this, not that. I didn't know what to call it. See, cupcakes, Ibsen. Headings such as FAQ, just to give you an example there. And then if you want to center that, you can go through and center it. And then you have your other column, subtitle, title there, blah, 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 blah. Change these little buttons out to whatever color you might want them. You can delete them. just do that, delete. If you want to grab a few, you can actually group them. Group. That way you can move the whole thing. How about that? Cool, huh? Anywho, if you want to ungroup them and move them around, you do that too. Thank you. Any questions, comments, email. You want to do a call to action, tell them to subscribe now. Let's say if you make a freebie and you want to upload it to ConvertKit, which I've got a YouTube video showing you guys how to do that. I should have had more Red Bull before this. And we're not sponsored by Red Bull. I should be. Definitely should be. You can delete, one or two, or take those out. Oop. And if you do like I did, just made boo-boo, you can put it back. Yeah, boo-boo. Don't want me peering over at you like that. And then, of course, I have Instagram template that I'll be uploading as well. So thank you guys. Just wanted to give you an overview of what all kind of changes you can do in the ebook. I'm going to be having more Canva templates coming out along with my new Etsy store I'm working on this morning. So yay. And thank you guys. I will see you next time. Bye.